Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take slow motion video in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to camera and here go to more button. Here you go to select SLO option. This is slow motion and start recording your video. I start recording this video. While recording it will be like a normal video. I stop the video and play the video that I took. See the video action. Action is in very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.